Hi guys on YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a review of my miele dishwasher g977 Plus. So the red, here's you turn the machine on, turn it, and close the door. Start to it. You got your Universal Plus. Select each program as the machine is saying. The Universal Plus is longer. Universal Plus, Intensive is longest pre-wash. It's actually what I do before the main wash. And it kind of saves energy. No, 50 probably takes about 50 degrees in 50 minutes, I'll say. I'm not sure. Right. Just going to wash, rinse, drying, and start, insert. Inlet, drain, salt, rinse out, miele thermic. Inside there, there's he used that a lot. It's inside there. The inside dispenser there, and your main tertiary dispenser there. Enough. Start there. That's a review of my miele dishwasher. Just on your salt indicator, salt PC there. You turn up. There's so much better than what I make now. Thanks for watching, and a good morning to you.